And I'm going to be using this brush. Wow. Gucci. There's not any water in it. This is lucky. Me. Me, 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 me. Me, me, me. Lucky so me. I am so lucky. I get to dump a little bit. Dump a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Dump a little bit. Now that should be enough. Enough to pay for this. And put a little bit down like this. Is it coming? Okay, that should be enough. Now time to put the lid back on. I don't need any water. Just need to put this together. Seriously, you making a video? Okay, folks, this is how you paint. You just paint a little bit, paint a little bit, paint a little bit, paint a little bit, paint a little bit. Hey, no, I need to see real life. And I paint, and I paint, and I paint. Da, 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 da. And now time for the top. Dun, 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 dun. Time to fill it in one more time. Now we gotta choose a different color. It's purple. Yeah! Let's mix it up. Purple. Yeah! Now let's mix it up. Purple. Yeah! Now we'll put purple down. Grab a little bit of purple. Grab a little bit and grab a little bit. Grab a little bit to fill in this pretty hole. Now time to do this. Now that's all we do in the AliKat show. Bye, folks.
Okay, let's see. You're gonna have to paint that when it's dry, but that side's already done. Good job, Allie. Bye, Olaf.